They're on the left then. They're on the left. That's where Derek went up. Okay, he's hit. I think that's Durek.
Going back. You did, Durek? Yeah, you shot me.
Oh,
shit! Sorry.
I thought so.
I didn't think you moved that fast. No. There you are. I got some help from them. No, I thought you were in the tower. Me and Ryan were the only ones here. I told Ryan to pass it up. I guess he didn't.
I did. I told Liquid. I said it out loud.
No, I thought we were the front line.
Watch out. That's Chris on our right, up front.
You did. I think Chris was there. I didn't
No,
know
Chris is right there.
Yeah, I know. I didn't think you had anybody there. That's why it's fine.
Yeah.
Normally it's a result I'm shooting all the time. I didn't know we had two down. Hey, we see ya. Come on out. You guys are good. I recommend you guys just move up. They're just going to stay there. Say again? I just recommend you guys just move up because they're just going to stay there.
Okay, Liquid. What's that?
So you guys are fucking stealthy.
For a fat guy, I'm pretty stealthy.
Yeah, I thought whoever was over there.
Were you the last one?
No, there's one left. So where do we go? Just down there?
That way, to the tower.
Yeah, there's one left. I'm not sure yet.
Hit! Good kill.